Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to write 个 in cursive Chinese. Now let's get started. First, in block letter. 个 It means individual. This or that. Now you can write it in cursive like this. 个 For example, 个人 individual. "这个" this 多个 many multiple 整个整个 whole entire 整个 Next one for today 个性 It means personality. What kind of personality do you think you have? 你认为你自己具有什么样的个性？个性。个 individuals. This 个人 individual. 这个 this 多个 many multiple 整个 whole entire 个性 personality. What kind of personality do you think you have? 你认为你自己具有什么样的个性？Can you make a sentence with the Chinese character 个? Let me know in a comment below. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.